Get ready to relax and enjoy watching workers absolutely nail it. From perfect timing to smooth moves, it's all about that satisfying feeling. So, sit back, grab a snack, and let these flawless moments make your day. If jobs had cheat codes, this worker definitely cracked them. We all know where that smile came from. Now, you know how your water bottle comes to life. Isn't this juicy masterpiece making you watery already? Looks like someone's younger self is having a blast at work. Every movement is so on point. It's basically a dance routine. When you get things done with this much finesse, Monday mornings don't stand a chance. There's something oddly soothing about seeing someone crush their job. The real heroes here are the people making everyday tasks look like art. Can you do that? I know I can't. The art of spring making, hot and dangerous. No wasted effort, just expertise. Like clockwork, but even smoother. Watch how pros get it done. Flawless moves, flawless results. A smooth operator in action. No rush, no waste, just perfect execution. Flawless moves, flawless results. The art of doing it right, every time. No rush, no waste, just perfect execution. A perfect flow from start to finish. Every movement is intentional, every outcome flawless. When precision is second nature. Smooth, sleek, and absolutely perfect. A perfect job is always a work of art. Mastery in motion. Watch and learn. Not just working, but mastering the craft. Smooth, steady, and so satisfying. Work that speaks for itself. Silent, but perfect. Now, you know how they make those. Like butter, smooth and perfect. Impeccable work, every single second. Perfect balance, perfect flow. Thank you for watching these amazing moments of mastery in motion. If you enjoyed seeing the art of hard work done perfectly, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more satisfying content.